Yo, I've not done a video in time. I've just been really busy and I've just not really thought. But today, I've got one of these bad boys. It's called Fidget Spinner. You might have heard the Fidget Cube. Another fidget toy. It's called a Fidget Spinner. Virtually what it is it's 3 bearings in here. Passing wood in a bearing in there. And virtually what you do is you fidget with it, so you can spin that, like that. You can do one thumb. Wait a minute. One finger. You can just do loads of, and maybe I can get the camera high enough. It's probably hard. Trying to hit any lead. Spin on the table. So guys, it is absolutely so cool. Mine was £3.85. So the package came in. Mine's a yellow one, obviously. Can do that. So it's so fun for when you're playing in class and you're just like blah 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 blah. Play this. All the kids will be jealous. So this is a review. If you like this video, drop a comment section down below, and please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And the Rocket League video is probably going to be coming out today, so look out for that, and see you.